Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I wanna draw an interior two-point perspective. So stay with me until the end of the video. I draw all of the lines step by step so you can learn easily how to draw an interior perspective. In this two-point perspective, I choose vanishing points outside the paper. So one of them is on the left side and the other one is on the right side. So when the vanishing points are outside the paper, I should draw the horizon line, and some parts of the horizon line are outside the paper too. So don't move your paper for more accurate drawing. I wanna draw a kitchen in this perspective, and this kitchen is modern. So I draw some details that they're related to the kitchen, for example, dining table, some chairs, cabinets, and cupboards. And as I said before, in each perspective drawing, you should pay attention to the vanishing point or vanishing points. In this perspective, there are two vanishing points, and all of the lines along the X and Y axis are converging to the vanishing point, and these vanishing points controlled these lines. This is two-point perspective, so the lines along the z-axis are drawn vertically without converging to the vanishing point. As you see, I drew the dining table, and it's time to draw chairs according to the vanishing points. The chairs are curved, and first of all, I draw a cube for each one of them, and after that, in this cube, I draw some cuts and I draw a final form of the chair. After draw a basic shape of the chairs, actually I draw some thicknesses. And now I should draw a legs of chairs. And I draw parallel line for each leg of the chair. I bold these lines of dining table. It's an important and useful tip, and always I recommend to my students for each perspective or isometric view drawing, you should try the first lines pale. And after that, when you're sure about each line, you can bold that. These parts of the cabinets has some setbacks, and these setbacks are along the y-axis, so I should draw them according to the left vanishing point. I wanna divide this side of the dining table to 4 equal parts as the door of the cabinets. If you enjoy my drawing until now, please like this video and comment your opinions. I always read all of the comments and respond them. It's not bad to convert this dining table to the island too, so I wanna draw a sink here and a water tap, and I draw more details for it. In this perspective drawing, the island is in the forward, so firstly I drew it, and after that I wanna draw some details in the backwards of my drawing. So I wanna draw the walls according to the vanishing points, and after that I draw some setbacks and another lines for showing cupboards and another details in the cabinets. Okay, I wanna divide this wall to two parts. The first one is for the base cabinet and the other one is for the wall cabinet. Okay, for the wall cabinet, I wanna draw full overlay doors and kitchen hood. So I should divide the length of the wall cabinet to some equal parts for showing full overlay doors. As you see, I'm trying to draw a kitchen hood, and I draw the length of the hood according to the right vanishing point and setbacks of the hood according to the left vanishing point. After that, I wanna add some lamps. I wanna draw 3 lamps for kitchen lighting with equal distance between them. You can choose different kinds of the lamps for space lighting, and in this example the kitchen is modern, so it's better to choose a simple chandelier for lighting. After that, I wanna show full overlay doors, so I draw parallel lines. As you see, I keep on drawing. I add some details for showing face frame of the cabinets, center style, and full overlay doors. And in this model, because of full overlay doors, the floor or bottom of the cabinets aren't visible. But if you wanna show the floor or bottom of the cabinets, you can design some glass doors. Okay, I draw all of the details in this side of the cabinet, and it's time to draw some shelves in this side for decorative dishes placement. I draw some vertical lines along the z-axis and the other horizon lines according to the right vanishing point. You can design the decorative dishes by yourself. For example, you can draw a vase, big bowl, glasses, even saucepan and another beautiful dishes. And here I wanna accommodate a microwave oven and a toaster. I draw them simply and I draw some lines for showing them. After that, in rendering, I colored them by black color and they are getting more visible to us. When you want to draw a kitchen, you can add some details and another furnitures. For example, you can draw a fridge, dishwasher or even washing machine. But in this view, I draw only microwave oven and toaster. Here I wanna draw a stove for my kitchen exactly under the kitchen hood. Then I wanna draw a flat panel and the base cabinets. After that, I draw some drawer box here. There are some other practical tools here that I draw them simply. Here I draw some lines on the ceiling for showing some depths and setbacks on the ceiling. And now I try to draw another lines for adding more details to the cabinets and cupboards. And here I wanna draw some other lines exactly next to the parallel lines for showing the depth of the cabinet door. As a sketch teacher, I always recommend to my students when they are trying to draw anything, they can draw some lines. After that, they can take a rest for a while, and after they rest, they can start drawing again. Taking rest between your drawing can help you concentrate better on your drawing. Okay, now it's the end of my drawing. I hope you enjoy and practice with me. Also, you can ask your questions in the comments. I respond all of them. In the next video, I'll publish the rendering of this drawing, so stay with me and enjoy these free tutorials. Have a good day!